Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is my beautiful Massey Ferguson 35 from 1958. It's been fully restored and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just thought I'd show you this. I got it running, took it over the park. It was really cute. Just a lovely thing, very rare in this condition. Just walk around it to show you. It's running on TVO at the moment and it sounds absolutely lovely. I started up on Petrol, but then you switch it over to TVO, which is a tractor vehicle oil. It's like a central heating oil. It's road registered, so I can have some fun. Nice truck to go down to the pub with. Everything works as it should. It's a lovely thing. Here's the fuel gauge and the tap, which is turned onto TVO. It has two tanks, this one. Petrol's usually on the right and then TVO on the left, but I've put TVO in both and just ran a small petrol tank here, which is really good. So you can start it up and then switch it over after it's warm. In lovely condition, as you can see. All beautiful under there. I've got all the lights work. Everything works. I've left it running. I fitted a really classy horn as well, which is here. One of these lovely horns. A bit of fun. There we go. This vehicle is sweet as a nut, and I'm going to have some great fun in this in the summer. Take the grandkids round the park. Should be great. Well, this is something different. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care and see you soon. Cheers.